off this. So this is the micro switch that I will be using for controlling the closet door light. I got it from Amazon, $6 for 6 switches, and the reason I'm using it is because of two things. One, it has got 3 points, common, normally open, normally closed, so I can choose whatever I want to do. And also this lever, which will be in touch with the door for opening and closing, has a roller here. This avoids friction. These two screws, I will be using 2 screws through these 2 holes to fit to install it on the door sill. And once it is properly installed, this is the way it will work when the door is closing and when the door is opening. I enjoyed using this wire stripper as it made the job very easy. The same wire stripper can be used for crimping the connectors. I also got this box of connectors from Amazon. So this is the junction box of the LED light, and through this connector it connects to the LED light. And this is how the wiring finally looks like. And this is the low volt relay. Now I'll explain how all of this is connected. So starting from the right side, this is the Romix wire which will bring in power from my existing outlet in here. So it has got 3 wires. This one is for ground, this one is for power, and the white is the common or neutral. This junction box has 3 wires. One, this white, one is black, and the other one is this ground. So I have already connected the black wire, the white wire, and now I'm going to connect the ground wire to this. Now on top of it, there you can see this. This is the low voltage relay, and it has got 5 wires. 2 on this side, these ones, which are just for making the connection or making the circuit open or close. They will be connected to the door switch, the micro switch, which I have shown you in earlier part of the video. And this relay has got also 3 wires, as you can see in here: red, white, and black. So the black wire coming out of this relay is basically for power. So it will be connected to this power which is coming from the outlet. The white wire, this one, is for neutral. So it will be connected to the white wire, this, which is going to the power outlet. And the red wire, this is going to be connected to the black wire of the LED light. So I'm going to draw this circuit on a piece of paper also and explain there so that there is no confusion and it is clear. So this is how it is all going to be connected. There were 3 knockout tabs on this junction box. One is on this side, one on top, and one here. So I have knocked out both these tabs, and on the top I have installed the low volt relay, and here I have this cable lock through which I have inserted the cable and tightened the screws so that it is all fixed. And the reason of doing all of this is that as per the electrical code, if I have gotten it correct, is you cannot have any connectors or any wire connections outside. They have to be inside the junction box. That's why I had to do all of this. So this is how all the wiring looks like. This is the junction box of the LED light. And if you see inside, there will be 3 wires coming in from the LED light: black, white, and green for the ground. And 3 wires coming in from the relay: red, white, and black. And 3 wires coming in from this Romix cable, unshielded ground, white, and black. So the black wire will be connected to the black wire. The white wires, 3 white wires inside the box, will be connected together. The red wire coming in from the relay will be connected to the black wire of the LED, and these two wires coming out of the relay, the low voltage wires, will be connected to the micro switch. So this is how the entire wiring looks like inside the junction box. So this is how everything looks just before installation. Everything is done. I have connected this junction box to this wooden strip through a screw, and I have also attached a zip tie on this to make sure it is sturdy. And I'm going to put a screw here, and I will connect it to the stud inside behind the drywall, and all of this will be connected, and then I'll do the wiring connection. I used a 1/2 inch diameter and 16-inch long spade bit for drilling this hole. Now this wood is, this is not exactly wood. I think it's a mixture or manufactured wood or something. So it is very sensitive to splitting. So I have to put the micro switch here and the two holes for mounting. So I'm going to drill the holes with a drill first and then install the screws. For this job, I got this set of drill bits from Amazon because I did not have these tiny, small ones. The micro switch was installed using these screws. So this micro switch has been installed, and the door will be coming and closing like this, and it will activate and deactivate the switch. Cutting the drywall for installing the LED light. So I have fished this wire into this existing outlet, and I'm going to connect it to this existing outlet. I have turned off the breaker. So what I'm going to do now is, as you can see here, there are two additional holes where I'm going to put these wires, which I have already stripped. The length of the strip is determined from here. This length, this one. If you put the wire in here, it will show you how long the wire has to be stripped so that it can be safely inserted in these holes. So instead of using these screws and looping the wire, I use this. It is more convenient. So I'll show you how it's done. So the black wire, this is the black hole. The black wire will go in here, just like this. There it goes in, and it is locked. Similarly, the white wire, this one will go in this hole. Insert it like this, and it is locked. This wire, the ground wire, this will be connected here with a wing nut, and then only one wire will go in here. I'll show you how. This is a special type of wing twist. What it does is, as you can see here, it has a hole in the middle. So what you do is, you put the wires in, twist, and one of the wires you keep long enough so that it comes out, and then that wire will loop here. I'll show you how. So this is how it will be done, like this. You'll put it in like this so that this wire comes out, this goes in, and you just twist it. I'll straighten it a little bit and then complete the job. So this goes in like this. I leave it ample so that I can twist it around that screw. This goes in, and all I need to do is now do this. So this is properly done. I'll just loop it around here and tighten it. This is how it looks in the end. This is that wing nut, and these are the 2 wires which I have connected. So this is what the final result looks like. These wires have been connected. This is going to be connected to the LED light, this one. That is the hole where I'll put it in, and that is the stud with which I'm going to screw it. I'll show you the end result now. So this is what the final project looks like. I changed this wire with a white one instead of those red and black. I have used wood putty to fill the hole. Once it dries up, I'll just paint it. This is the light. And this is how it works. A couple of things to remember is that any light inside a closet cannot be installed without a cover on top of it. So no naked incandescent bulbs, and also the distance between the shelf and light should be 12 inches or more. Thanks for watching.